session, we will continue with the problems of exercise 6.5 of algebraic expression sign identities. Students, now let us continue with the problems from 6th main. Okay, so here what they have given, using identities evaluate. Okay, so here what we need to find? We need to find the value of the given expressions using the suitable identity. Okay, so first here what they have given, 71 square. Okay, so here we need to find the value of 71 square using the identities. So students, this 71 square, okay, so this 71 can be written, this 71 can be written in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, so 71 square can be written in the form of a plus b whole square. Look at here, 71 can be written as 70 plus 1. Okay, 71 can be written as 70 plus 1 and your square is 0, so whole square. Now what we have done, we have converted it into the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, now compute this with this formula and look at here, in place of a what is there, 70, and in place of b 1 is there. Okay, now according to the formula, a square means a means 70, a square means 70 square plus 2ab, 2 into a means 70 into b means 1 plus b square, that is 1 square. Now 70 square, 7 sevens are 49, 10 means 20. I think you might have learned this in squares and square roots. Okay, now look at here, 2 sevens are 14 and here 0. 141 is what? 141b plus 1. Okay, 1 square is what? 1. Now when you add all these things, what you are getting? 5041. Okay, so 5041 will be the value of 71 square. Students, now let us solve the second question. Okay, so what they given? 99 square. Okay, so here we need to find the value of 99 square using the identity. Students, so here 99 square is no. This 99 can be written in the form of a minus b. Look at here, this 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 and here square is no, so put square. Okay, now look at here, now it is of the form a minus b whole square. Okay, now in place of a what is there? 100 and in place of b 1 is there. Okay, now according to the formula, a square, a means 100, okay, a square minus 2 into a, that is 100, into b, that is 1, plus b square, that is 1 square. Students, so here 100 square is there. Okay, so in a simple way I will tell you, 1 square is what? 1. So if it is having square now, and if in number 2 zeros is there means, then in its square it will be having 4 zeros. Okay, so the square of 100 is what? 10,000. Next, minus 2 into 100 is 200. 200 into 1 is what? 200 only. Next, plus 1. Now students, what you have to do? You have to add 1 to this 10,000 and you have to subtract this 200 from 10,001. Okay, so when you do so, then what you are getting? You are getting 9,801. Okay, so this will be the value of 99 square. Students, now let's solve third question. Okay, so what they have given? 102 square. Okay, so here we need to find the value of this one using identity. Now this 102 square can be written in the form of a plus b whole square. Now look at here, 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 and here square is 0, so put square. So what I have done? I have done 102 in the form of a plus b whole square. So here in place of a 100 is there and in place of b 2 is there. Okay, now according to the formula, a square, that is 100 square plus 2 into a, that is 100, into b, that is 2, plus b square. Okay, now 100 square is what? 10,000 plus 2 into 100 is 200, 200 into 2 is what? 400, or you can say 2 2s are 4, 4 into 100 is what? 400, plus 2 2s are 4. Now when you add all these things, what you are getting? You are getting 10,404 will be the answer for this question. Let's now solve fourth question. Okay, so here what they given? 998. Okay, so we need to find the value of this using identity. So So students, this can be written in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay, just look at here. 999 can be written as 1000 minus 2. What is 1000 minus 2? 998. And the square is the right square. Okay. So what I have done? I have done 998 in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay. So here, in place of a, 1000 is there, and in place of b, 2 is there. Okay. Now according to the formula, a square, that is 1000 square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay, so 1000 square. So here 1 square is of 1. So if the number is having 3 zeros means then in its square having 6 zeros. Okay, so how much you got? You got 10 lakh. 1000 square is what? 10 lakh. Okay, next look at here. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1000 is what? 4000. Or you can write 2 into 1000 is 2000. 2000 into 2 is what? 4000. Next, plus 2 square is what? 4. So what you need to do means, you need to subtract this 4000 from 10 lakh. Next you have to add 4 to this. Okay. So when you do all these things, what you are getting? 9,96,004 will be the answer for this question. Students, now let's solve fifth question. Okay, so here what they have given? 5.2 square. Now what we need to do? We need to find the value of this number. Okay. So students, 5.2 square can be written in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, so here this 5.2 can be written as 5 plus 0.2. Okay, 5.2 can be written as 5 plus 0.2 and square. Now in place of a, what is there? 5, and in place of b, what is there? 0.2. Okay, now according to the formula, a square means 5 square plus 2 into a, that is 5, into b, that is 0.2, plus b square, that is 0.2 square. Okay, this 5 square is what? 25 plus 2 5s are 10. 10 into 0.2 will be 2.0. 2.0 plus 0.2 square, that is 0.2 into 0.2 is what? 0.04. Okay, students, this 2.0 is nothing but 2 only. Okay, then what you need to do? You need to add 2 to this 25. Next you need to add 0.04. Okay, then 25 plus 2 is what? 27. 25 plus 2 is what? 27, and plus 0.04, that is, so when you add up these two things, what you are getting? You are getting 27.04. Okay, so it is the solution of fifth problem. Students, now let's solve sixth question. Okay, so here what they have given? 297 into 303. Okay, now we need to find the value of this using identity. Students, we will solve this problem using the identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so what's the formula for that? A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. Okay, now look at here, students. So this we need to write in the form of a plus b into a minus b form. Okay, now we'll write here once again 303. Students, this 297 can be written as 300 minus 3. So what is 300 minus 3? 297 only, no? So we can write like this. Next, into this 303 can be written as 300 plus 3. Okay, so what's 300 plus 3? Same, no? So here the value will not change. Now look at here. 300 minus 3 is what? 297 only. And 300 plus 3 is what? 303 only. Okay, equals to. Now look at here, students. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so this is what? A plus b, and this is what? A minus b. Okay, same, no? So both sides same, one side plus, one side minus. So it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now according to the formula, a square, a means 300, a square means 300 square, minus b square, b means 3, b square means 3, b means 3, b square means 3 square. Okay. So 300 square. Now look at here, 3 3s are 9, 20 means 40, minus, so this is what? 3 square is what? 9. Okay. So now what is here? 90,000 minus 9. So when you subtract this 90,000 from 9, then what will be getting? 89,991. Okay, so this will be the solution of 6th problem. Students, now let us solve 7th question. Okay, so here what they have given? 78 into 82. Okay, so this also can be written in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So this 78 can be written as 80 minus 2. What is 80 minus 2? 78 only know. And this. Okay, so here 82 can be written as 80 plus 2. Now it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Now it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so here in place of a what is there? 80 and in place of b 2 is there. Okay. Now according to the formula a square, a means 80, a square means 80 square. Okay, next minus b square, b means 2, b square means 2 square. Okay. Now 80 square, what is 80 square? Look at here, 8 8s are 64, 10 means 20 minus 2 2s are 4. Now 6,400 minus 4 is what? 6,396. Okay, so this will be the solution of 7th problem. Students, now let us solve 8th question. Okay, so here what they have given? 8.9 square. Now we need to find the value of this using identity. Students, this 8.9 square. Okay, so this can be written as 8 plus 0.9. 89 can be 8.9 can be written as 8 plus 0.9 square is there, so put square. Okay, now just look at here, it is of the form a plus b whole square. Okay, so here a means 8 and b means 0.9. Now students, according to the formula, okay, a square, a means 8, a square means 8 square plus 2 into a into b, that is 0.9 plus b square, that is 0.9 square. Okay, now 8 8s are 64 plus 2 8s are 16, 16 into 0.9. Okay, 16 into 0.9 will be 14.4 students. Okay, this is basics. Okay, so this is what? Decimal multiplication. Now 2 8s are 16, 16 into 0.9 is what? 14.4 plus now 0.9 square. Okay, that is 0.9 square. So 0.9 into 0.9 will be what? 0.81. Now when you add all these three, then what you are getting? You are getting 79.21. Okay, so this will be the solution of 8th problem. Students, now let us solve 9th question. Okay, so here what they have given? 10.5 into 9.5. Okay, now we have to write this in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We will write it once again. 10.5 into 9.5. Okay. Next, this 10.5 can be written as 10 plus 0.5. Next, into this 9.5 can be written as 10 minus 0.5. So 10 plus 0.5 is what? 10.5 only. And 10 minus 0.5 is what? 9.5 only. Okay. Now look at here. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So here a means 10 and b means 0.5. Now students, according to the formula a square, a means 10, 10 minus b square, that is 0.5 square. Okay, so here 10 tens are 100 minus 0.5 square. 0.5 into 0.5 is what? 0.25. Okay, next 100 minus 0.25 is what? 99.75 will be the solution of this problem. Students, let us solve the problems from 7th grade. Okay, so what they have given? Using a square minus b square, equals to a plus b into a minus b. Fine. Okay. So here we need to find the value of following expressions using the identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now look at here, students. It is of the form a square minus b square. Okay, it is of the form a square minus b square. Now what we need to do? We need to convert this into a plus b into a minus b and find the value. Okay, it is of the form a square minus b square. Okay, so here in place of a, what is there? 51. A square, a means 51, b square, b means 49. Okay, now look at here. A square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, just as a means 51, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b. A means 51 plus b means 49. A plus b, this one. Next we have to write a minus b. That is a is what? 51 minus 49. Okay. Now students, 51 plus 49 is what? 100 into, bracket means into. So 51 minus 49 is what? 2. Here 51 plus 49 is 100 and here 51 minus 49 is what? 2. Okay, so 100 into 2 is what? 200. Okay, just look at here, students. If for direct, okay, so if we go on solving this one directly, it is difficult. But if we have converted this into the form that is a plus b into a minus b, then it is very easy to find the value of this one. Okay, so here 200 will be the solution for the first problem. Students, let us solve second question. Okay, so what they have given? 1.02 whole square minus 0.98 whole square. Okay, now we need to find the value of this one using the identity, that is a square minus b square. Students, here it is of the form a square minus b square. Okay, it means what? A means 1.02 and b means 0.98. Okay, now we will write this in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Now in place of a, what is there? 1.02 plus a plus b. In place of b, what is there? 0.98. It is of the form a plus b. Next we have to write a minus b. A means 1.02 minus b means 0.98. Okay, now students, 1.02 plus 0.98 will be 2.0. Okay, I think you know this. Okay, decimal addition it is. Next, into this 1.02 minus 0.98 will be 0.04. Students, 2.0 is nothing but 2 only. Okay, don't confuse. So, and here into 0.04. Okay, next 2 into 0.04 will be 0.08. Okay, so this will be the solution of second problem. Students, now let's solve third question. Okay, so what they have given? 153 square minus 147 square. Okay, so here it is of the form a square minus b square. Okay, so here in place of a, what is there? 153. In place of a, 153 is there, and in place of b, 147. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to write in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so next, in place of a, 153 plus a plus b, this one, and in place of b, 147. Okay, next into a minus b. A means 153 minus b, that is 147. Okay, 153 plus 147 will be 300 into this one. 153 minus 147 will be what? 6. Okay, next 3 6 are 18. 2 zeros means 2 zeros, or you can say 300 into 6 is what? 1800. Okay, so this will be the solution of third problem. Students, let us solve fourth question. Okay, so here what they have given? 12.1 whole square minus 7.9 whole square. Okay, so it is of the form a square minus b square. So here in place of a, what is there? 12.1, and in place of b, what is there? 7.9. Okay, now we need to write this in a plus b into a minus b form. Okay, so here a means 12.1 plus b means 7.9 9 a plus b into a minus b. A means 12.1 minus b means 7.9. Okay, so here 12.1 plus 7.9 will be 20.0. Okay, next into this one 12.1 minus 7.9 will be 4.2. Okay, next this 20.0 you can write as 20 into 4.2. Okay, next students, so here 20 into 4.2 will be 84.0. Okay, so 20 into 4.2 will be 84.0. This is nothing but what? 84.0 is nothing but 84. Okay, so this will be the solution of fourth problem. Students, now let us solve problems from 8th May. Okay, so here what they have given, using x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Fine. Okay, so students, here using this identity we need to find the value of the following questions. Okay, now let us start with the first one, that is what they have given, 103 into 104. Students, what we have to do means, first we have to convert this in x plus a into x plus b form. Okay, so first we have to convert this into x plus a into x plus b form, then we need to solve using the formula. So here students, this one 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Okay, next into 104 can be written as 100 plus 4. Students, here this kind of questions you have to separate such that both first places should be same. Okay, so look at here x and here also x is there, no? So if here 100 is there means, so here also 100 should be there. Okay, so you cannot divide like this, 100 plus 3, next here 90 plus 14. Okay, you cannot divide like this. If it is here 100 is coming means, so here also 100 should come. Okay, why? Because x plus a and x plus b is there. Okay, x plus a into x plus b is there. So both the first terms are what? X only. Okay, in such a way you have to separate these problems. Students, now we have converted this into x plus a into x plus b form. Okay, now look at here, in place of x 100 is there, in place of a 3 is there, and in place of b 4 is there. Okay, in place of x 100, in place of a 3, and in place of b 4 is there. Now according to the formula, x square, x means what? 100, that is 100 square plus a plus b. A means 3 plus b means 4 into x. X means 100 plus ab. A means 3, b means 4. Okay, that is 3 into 4. Now 100 square is what? 10,000. Okay, 100 square is what? 10,000 plus 3 plus 4 is what? 7. And here this one is there, 7 into 100. 100 is there. Okay, plus 3 4s are. Now 10,000 plus 7 into 100 is what? 700 plus 12. Okay, so when you add all these three things, what you are getting? 10712. That is 10,712 will be the solution of this question. Students, now let us solve second question. Okay, so what they have given, 5.1 into 5.2. So here we have to convert this into x plus a into x plus b form. So this, students, 5.1 I will be writing as 5 plus 0.1. Okay, so 5.1 as 5 plus 0.1. Next 5.2 as 5 plus 0.2. Okay, now what we have done, we have converted this into x plus a into x plus b form. Okay, so here in place of x, what is there? 5 is there. And in place of a, what is there? 0.1 and in place of b 0.2 is there. Now according to the formula x square, x means 5 square plus a plus b, a means 0.1 plus b means 0.4, a plus b into x, x means what, 5 plus ab. Okay, so here a means 0.1 into b means 0.2. Okay, 5 square 25. Okay, next 0.1 plus 0.2 will be 0.3 into 5. Okay, next this one 0.1 into 0.2 will be 0.02. Next 25 plus 0.3 into 5 will be 1.5. Okay, next plus 0.02. Okay, so when you add all these things, what you are getting? 26.52. Okay, so this will be the solution for second problem. Students, now let's solve third question. Okay, so here what they have given 103 into 98. Okay, so here we have to convert this in x plus a into x plus b form. So this, I am writing this 103 as 100 plus 3. Next 98 as 100 minus 2. Okay, next what we have done, we have converted this into x plus a into x plus b form. Students, look at here, in place of x, what's the 100, and in place of a 3 is there. Next in place of b minus 2 is there. Okay, in place of b minus 2 is there. Now according to the formula x square, x means 100, x square 100 square plus a plus b, a means 3, next plus, next b means what, minus 2, b means minus 2, next 100 plus a into b, that is a means 3 into b means minus 2. Okay, next 100 square will be 10,000 plus 3 plus into minus will be minus 2 into here 100 is there. Next plus bracket plus into minus will be minus, 3 2s are 6. Okay, next 10,000 plus 3 minus 2 will be 1 into 100 plus into minus will be minus 6. Okay, and here 10,000 plus 1 into 100 will be 100 minus 6. 10,000 plus 100 will be 10,100 and this one minus 6. Okay, next 10,100 minus 6 will be 10,094. Okay, so this will be the solution of third problem. Students, now let's solve fourth question. Okay, so what they given 9.7 into 9.8. So this you have to convert it into x plus a into x plus b form. Okay, I will be writing this 9.7 as 10 minus 0.3. Okay, so 10 minus 0.3 is what? 9.7 only, no? So value should not be changed. Okay, so remember. Next 9.8 as 10 minus 0.2. Students, look at here. In place of x, 10 is there. Okay, so in place of x, 10 is there. In place of a minus 0.3 is there. And in place of b minus 0.2 is there. Now, according to the formula a square, that is n square plus a plus b. A is what? Minus 0.3 plus b is what? Minus 0.2. Next into x, x means 10 plus a into b, a means minus 0.3 into b means minus 0.2. Okay, next 10 square is what? 100 plus minus 0.3. Plus into minus will be minus 0.2 into 10 plus, okay, minus into minus will be plus 0.3 into 0.2 will be 0.06. Then, so here 100 plus minus 0.3 minus 0.2 will be minus 0.5 into 10. Okay, so plus into plus will be plus 0.06. Next 100. So here minus, here plus. Okay, so minus into plus will be minus 0.5 into 10 will be 5. Okay, 0.5 into 10 will be 5 plus 0.06. Now students, 100 plus into minus will be minus 5 plus 0.06. 100 minus 5 is what? 95. 95 plus 0.06 is what? 95.06. Okay, so this will be the solution of 4th problem.